a heartbeat for 1,000 miles. And the heavens open up every time she smiles. All right, that is the 68th or 69th hard request, can't remember, of the current list. It's Michael Bublé, and it's Crazy Love. So we're going to be learning the piano part here, learning to play the chords. If you want to sing along with it, it's always fun. But all the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. We're about to do the part 1 lesson, give you a few chords to start with, and then finish it up on the website. I have lessons on there for everyone, even if you are a complete beginner. I have 50 lessons to get you started. You know, we start off from square one. And I have, you know, beginner lessons. I have intermediate, advanced, even expert lessons on the website. Lots of things on there. So here we go. We're just mostly going to be vamping chords in this, okay? Let's see. So it's just, you know, basically chord vamping here. So we have G, B, D in the right hand to start off with, left hand on a G. 1, da, 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 da. So 2 counts on the G. Then F sharp, A, D on the right, left hand on a B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. On the left hand, I'm kind of going ba, 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 da, 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 da. That kind of helps the rhythm sound like it needs to. So. So the next chord is F sharp, A, D, left hand on a B. That's a B minor 7. This was a G chord, B minor 7. And then we get to G, B, D, left hand on a C. What do you call that? Well, you call it G, and then you have a line, and then a C underneath it. That's called a G chord with a C pedal. Right, it's a G chord over a C bass. Then we have G, B, D again, back to G. So beginning, da 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 da. I kind of do this sometimes. I don't hear that in the music. I just think that's a neat little bass thing to put in between D, E, G. If you wonder what I was doing. Now this chord progression is the same. And the heavens open up every time she smiles. So the same chord progression twice in a row. There to get going. Once you get that vamping feel, dun, 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 dun. Then you can do it the whole song because that's really all it is, that rhythm all the way through. And then there are other things too, of course, but that's the underlying rhythm in the whole song. So there we go. There's your part 1 to get you started. And we'll finish it on the website. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.